Hey guys, so this is going to be a really quick video. I'm showing you the shower cap and the stocking cap that come in this pack of hair. This Terra hair that I got for $10. Yes. So with the hair and the glue, everything came up to like $11.50. And this hair comes with a closure. So here I have the shower cap and the stocking cap on. To start laying the tracks down. I'm taking the shortest bundle and I'm starting off in the back. So here, if you are new to doing this hairstyle, please do it track by track, but I have 2 kids and so I can't take 2 hours doing my hair. So here I'm just laying the glue on the surface area and then laying the tracks on the glue just to make the process quicker. And when I'm doing 27 pieces, I always start off in the back. Yeah, it's kind of hard doing this method, especially for the back of your head because you can't see. But after I finished the back, I started on my bang area. And this is usually the process that I take. I do the back first and then I start the bang. And here I did the same for the back as well. That part is just cut out, but when you put your tracks on, whether you're laying them one by one or doing the surface area method, you definitely want to follow up with the blow dryer to make sure that the tracks are laying and sticking and staying in place. And so for the bang area, I did go ahead and start to use that next length bundle, like the medium bundle. I only used those 2 bundles for this hairstyle. I knew I wanted it to be pretty short. If you want a longer bang, you can definitely use that longer bundle, but I actually didn't even have to touch that for this hairstyle. And so now that my bang area is laid, I'm going to go ahead and lay the tracks all around my head in a circular motion. And here you'll see I was about to do track by track, and then I said, nah, forget that. And so I just started doing the surface area again, which was a lot better this time around because it's in the front of my head. But like I said, if you're new to this hairstyle or if you don't do this hairstyle a lot, I definitely would suggest just doing it track by track. And this is what the surface area method is. Like, you just lay the glue in a kind of medium to large spot on the cap, and then you just lay the tracks one by one all the way across. And you kind of do this just section by section until all the tracks are laid. Overall, I think it took me about 30 minutes, if that, to do this hairstyle. Like I said, I have 2 babies now, so I think at this point, I heard them crying downstairs with their dad. So if you ever want a quick hairstyle, that's what you do. And so here I'm taking that closure piece after I laid all of the tracks all around my head. I'm cutting off the extra lace. And here I am spraying some hairspray, some got to be glued, some hair glue, and then it got to be glued again, just for the sturdiness. Like, I need that part to stay on for sure. And so After that, we're pretty much done. I left it just like this for a couple of days, and this is how it turned out. Thanks for watching.